Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming basics so nothing blocks the pop-up. Make sure Airpods and case have charge and the status LED shows activity. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and temporarily disable other paired devices. This prevents auto-connection conflicts. Once done, open the lid and hold the case near the device while watching the screen. You do this because proximity and an active pairing mode trigger the device's discovery process and often revive the missing pop-up. If the pop-up still doesn't appear, you reset and force a fresh handshake. You press and hold the AirPods setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears previous pair state. Then, on your phone, forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings to remove residual pair data. Once forgotten, bring the case close and either accept the iOS setup animation or perform manual Bluetooth pairing on Android. Doing this creates a clean connection path and typically fixes discovery issues. Finally, make sure both your phone's OS and AirPods firmware are up to date, because software mismatches often prevent the pop-up from showing. Once updated, restart the phone and toggle Bluetooth or airplane mode to clear system caches, then open the case and retry. If it still fails, try pairing with a different phone or user account to isolate the issue. If nothing changes, contact manufacturer support. There may be a hardware fault or deeper account pairing problem requiring repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.